Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and removing the old mesh so the new installation will fit precisely. First, measure the frame width and height to the nearest 1/8 and record spline groove depth. Next, use a flat screwdriver or pick to lift and pry out the old spline. Once loosened, cut the mesh into manageable sections and pull them away. Make sure to clean debris from the groove so the new spline seats evenly. Once done, lay the replacement mesh over the frame for the next step. You now position and secure the replacement mesh to create a taut, wrinkle-free screen. Lay the mesh over the frame with roughly a 1/2 inch overlap on every side and a line weave with the frame. Begin pressing new spline into the groove at the midpoint of one side using the convex edge of the roller. Work toward the corners, keeping moderate tension so the mesh lies flat without stretching. After all sides have spline, trim the excess mesh with a sharp utility knife, cutting just outside the spline for a neat finish. You finish by inspecting and adjusting the screen to ensure durability and smooth operation. Check each corner to confirm the spline sits fully in the groove and there are no gaps. If you see a loose area, use needle nose pliers or the roller to reseat the spline. Clean the frame, test the window or frame fit, and look for binding or drooping. If small wrinkles persist, release the spline just ahead of the wrinkle, retension the mesh, and press the spline back in. Replace the spline if it splits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.